In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat a task on Todoist with this step-by-step 2025 guide. Whether you're using the web, desktop, or mobile app, the first step is to log into your Todoist account. Once you're in, go ahead and select the project or the inbox where you'd like your repeating tasks to be. This ensures that you keep your tasks organized and can easily track them later. Next, create a new task by clicking or tapping on the Add Task button. Here, you can type in whatever task you need. For instance, it could be something like pay rent or send weekly report. Once you have your task noted, it's time to add a due date, particularly focusing on creating a repeating schedule. This is where Todoist's ability to recognize natural language comes into play. You just need to type how often you want the task to repeat in the due date field. For example, you could use every day for daily tasks or every Monday for a weekly task. You can even get more specific or create a custom schedule by typing every 3 days or every 2 weeks based on your needs. Now, a useful pro tip here. If you include the repeating time frame directly after your task name, Todoist will automatically detect and process the repeating schedule for you. So, typing something like water plants every 3 days means that Todoist will set this up without you having to manually enter anything else. Moving on, Todoist supports 2 types of repeating tasks: every and after. If you choose every Monday, it will recreate the task on a fixed weekly schedule. Alternatively, if you select after 3 days, it will repeat the task based on when you last completed it, 3 days after you check it off. This flexibility allows you to manage your tasks based on how regularly you actually need to do them, offering great customization for your workflow. Once you've set up your recurring task, you can simply click Add Task if you're on a desktop or web, or tap Save on mobile. This step ensures that Todoist will automatically generate the next instance of your task after completion, keeping your task list updated without further input from you. Now, when you mark the repeating task as done, Todoist will instantly calculate and display the next due date. You'll see this new task appear right in your project or today's view. This seamless continuation eliminates any hassle of manual duplication. Suppose you need to edit or remove the repetition at any point. Simply open the task, click or tap on the due date, and adjust the schedule as needed. If you want to delete the repeating phrase altogether, choose a single date instead. Lastly, let's quickly discuss some best use cases for repeating tasks on Todoist. These might include daily routines, such as journaling or workouts, ensuring you never skip a medication. You can also manage weekly team meetings, stay on track with monthly bills and subscriptions, handle quarterly reports, or even manage seasonal chores. Using Todoist recurring tasks effectively can help streamline your workflow and boost your productivity.